Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem is solved on set off and carry forward of losses. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it and share and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. This is a problem on set off and carry forward of losses. The question is, from the following particulars furnished by Sunil, let me stress this one here, Sunil Magadum of Bijapur, compute his total income for the assessment year 2021 by set off and carry forward of losses. So now let's go for the particulars one by one here. Let me insert the symbol of rupee here. So A here, income from salary. Suppose if you are given only salary, then you need to compute here. So it is 1,50,000. Income from let out property, rupees 20,000. Then C, loss from self-occupied property, rupees 1 lakh. Then loss from cloth business, which amounts to rupees 80,000 here. E, income from automobile business, ₹1 lakh. F, income from speculative business, rupees 40,000. Then G, loss from speculative business, rupees 60,000. H, income from securities, ₹20,000. Then I, winnings from lotteries in the bracket net, rupees 1,12,000. Long-term capital gain, which amounts to rupees 40,000. Short-term capital gain, which amounts to rupees 10,000. short-term capital loss, which amounts to rupees 30,000. The carried forward losses for the assessment year 2020-21 sorry 1920, so which are here: loss from interest on securities rupees 6,000, then loss from kirana business rupees 5,000, unabsorbed depreciation for previous year for the previous year 2018 and 19 was rupees 5,000. So from these details now we are required to compute here. So solution, computation of gross total income, name of the assessee Mr. Sunil Magadum, previous year 2019-20, assessment year 2021. Let me insert the columns here. So we need 5 columns for particulars, intersource, interhead, carry forward, and GTI. So now let us go for writing like this here: particulars, intersource, interhead, carry forward, GTI. So before we will go for working out, let us solve this. Let us discuss this problem here. Then we can proceed for working out the problem here. So now we have got income from salary, and we have got income from let out property as rupees 20,000, whereas we have got loss from SOP 1 lakh. So loss from SOP can be adjusted against income from LOP. So there will be still loss of rupees 80,000, which can be adjusted against income from salary. So your income from salary will be rupees 70,000 in this case. Then we have got a loss from cloth business, and we have got income from automobile business. So the loss from cloth business can be adjusted against income from automobile business. So still there will be income of rupees 20,000, which is from the automobile business. And there is a income from speculative business 40,000, but whereas we have got loss from speculative business 60,000. So this can be adjusted, but there will be still remaining loss from speculation of rupees 20,000, which can be carried forward. Then here in case of the business here, we have got still 20,000. So this loss from kirana business can be adjusted there. So 20 minus 6, so 14,000 will be there, and even this 20 minus 5, 15,000 will be there, loss from kirana business. Then this unabsorbed depreciation can also be adjusted there here. So it will be only 10,000 will be remaining in the income from business here. Then income from securities rupees 20,000, but we have got a loss from interest on securities which can be easily adjusted. Winnings from lotteries, it is to be crossed up here. Long-term capital gain given as rupees 40,000 and short-term capital gain given as rupees 10,000. There is a short-term cap loss rupees 30,000. So this short-term cap loss can be adjusted either against long-term capital gain or and the short-term capital gain here. So now let's work out here. Let's first head income from salary. Here income from salary. So that we will record in case of the inter head here rupees 1,50,000 here. Then the next head here is income from house property. So here we have got a loss, income from let out property it is. So I'll write in short LOP. So this is interhead adjustment rupees 20,000. So less loss from SOP. So which can be written in so it is 1 lakh. So let me write in the bracket here. So 1 lakh. There is a difference. Let me underline here. So there is a difference of rupees 80,000. This is loss from SOP or from house property which can be adjusted against. So less set off of loss from SOP. So 80,000 here. So let me underline this here. We shall be taken directly to the outer column rupees 70,000. Now let us go for income from business head. So now let us first take the income from business. Here we have got income from automobile business less loss from cloth business So here in case of income from automobile business, it is given as rupees 1 lakh. So from this, let us subtract cloth from business. Loss from cloth business is 80,000. So the difference here is, let me underline this. So the difference remaining here rupees 20,000. So from this 20,000, we can deduct less set off of brought forward loss from Kirana business So loss in Kirana business profit loss is 5,000 here. Then from that also we can deduct less set off of unabsorbed I think it is there, yeah, unabsorbed depreciation. So now let us make an adjustment here. So it is 5,000. So let me underline here. So the difference remaining here, it comes to rupees 15,000. 15,000. So here the unabsorbed depreciation amounted to rupees 5,000 here. So when we subtract here, we'll get rupees 10,000, which we shall take directly to the outer column here, that is GTI column, 10,000. Then the next head, we have got a speculation income as well as a speculation profit. So income from speculative business less set off of loss from speculative business. So income from speculation, which is given the problem as a piece of 40,000 here. So from this, so the loss from speculation business amounted to rupees 60,000. So 60,000. So let me put in a bracket here so that it indicates minus here. So let's underline here. That comes to rupees 20,000, which will be carried forward here, because this loss cannot be adjusted against any income. So 20,000. Then the next head here is capital gain. The next head, capital gains. So here we have got short-term capital gain, long-term capital gain. So long-term capital gain, and to this we can add short-term capital gain less set off of short-term capital loss So now let us fill the values here. So the long-term capital gain, which is given the problem as rupees 40,000. So we'll take 40,000. Then we have got a short-term capital gain of rupees 10,000 here. So 10,000. Now let us take the sum of this. So underline it. So the 50,000. So 50,000 here. So now we have got the short-term capital loss as rupees 30,000. So 30,000. Let us put in this bracket here so that it indicates minus. So 30,000. So let's underline here. The 20,000 is a capital gain, so which shall be taken to the GTI column here. Then, so this is the capital gain which is remaining here. Then the next one comes here, income from other sources. Under this we have got income from securities. Income from securities, it is given as rupees 20,000 less set off of brought forward interest loss from interest on securities. So income from securities, which amounts to rupees, now here income from 20,000. So here 20,000 less loss, that is brought forward loss it is, so which amounts to rupees 6,000. So let me underline here. So the difference will be now 14,000. So which shall be taken to, before that let me write here the remaining. This is income from other sources. Now still we have got here winnings from winnings from lottery we should take. So winnings from lotteries. So in the problem we have provided with the net, so we need to gross up here. So gross income equals to net income multiplied by 100. So it should be underlined here. So the rate of TDS on lottery income is 30%. So 100 minus 30, we get 70 here. So 70. So let us substitute the values in this formula. That's equals to rupees 1,12,000 multiplied by 100. So let us underline this for dividing here. So divided by 70. So that's equals to it comes to 1,40,000. So 1,60,000 will arrive here. So 1,60,000. So let me underline this one here. So it is underlined here. So the sum of this will be taken to the GTI column, that is 1,74,000. So 1,74,000. So now we should take the total here. So in case of this here, nothing here. In case of this carry forward, we have got 20,000. So let me put, so here 20,000 So let me put in the bracket itself so that it indicates a loss here. Then now let's take the total here. 70,000 plus 10,000, 80, 80 plus 21 lakh, 1 lakh, so 2 lakh 74,000. So now let us go for the notes here. Notes number 1. Short-term capital loss can be adjusted either against long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain. Then the next one comes here. Remaining speculation loss should be carried forward as it cannot be adjusted against other incomes. No losses can be set off against winnings from lotteries. Then unabsorbed depreciation can be adjusted against any incomes except salary and casual incomes. So I think these notes are sufficient here. So let me make this bold here so that it is more visible and can be distinguished here. The one more note I should give here. So one more note. Remaining loss from SOP can be adjusted against income from salary. So this is how we need to compute. Thank you.